Introducing the EyeOn Air, where eye gaze meets innovation for voices that deserve to be heard. When you receive the EyeOn Air speech generating device, you'll have everything needed to get started right away. That includes the EyeOn Air tablet, preloaded with powerful speech generating software designed for easy and effective communication. It also comes with a power grip accessory pack for enhanced device control, a ruggedized protective case built for everyday durability, a reliable power supply, and an eye tracking camera that is integrated into the device. Every component is selected to support independence, durability, and ease of use right out of the box. On the front of the device, you'll find an anti-reflective film, a web camera, a protective case, and the eye tracker. On the back end, you'll find not only a convenient kickstand to prop up the device, but also a handle for ease of carrying, extra speakers for enhanced amplification, a head pointer attachment point, and both USB and switch ports. Additional EyeOn Air specifications include a 12-inch display, up to 15 hours of runtime, a weight of 3.8 pounds, as well as environmental controls, Bluetooth, and Wi-Fi connectivity. Now let's focus on the communication software options and what they entail. Dialog is a symbol and text-based software that is known for its robust editing capabilities. It is fully customizable and comes in English. Next, we have Verbo. Verbo is a robust communication software for both text and symbol communication. It supports both English and Spanish. When you first receive your EyeOn Air and power it on, the first thing it will do is bring you to what we call Ubi. Ubi is the out-of-box experience that allows the user to become familiar with using eye gaze in a fun, interactive way. Let's watch what this looks like. We begin by meeting EyeTech's mascot, Seymour, who will guide us through the process of using eye gaze as an access method. This illustration shows exactly how to position the device for eye gaze use. Next, we see how the user must sit in order for the eye tracker to detect their eyes. Once the device and user is positioned correctly, we move on to the first game of popping 5 balloons. This is not only interactive, but it also serves as a calibration for the device. After that, we play a fun game that sets the foundation for cause and effect. The user looks at a balloon and it pops. The subsequent game involves building Seymour by selecting his different parts through eye gaze. We have a puzzle game that requires the user to look at a piece of the puzzle to select it, then drag it to its correct space on the board by hovering over it. Once the user has completed these games, they can move into their communication software to interact with those around them. EyeTech is proud of its reputation of providing unmatched customer support. A success coach will connect with you in a virtual meeting once you have received your device. We'll go over the basic use of the tablet, help customize the software, and answer any questions you may have. You can rest assured that you have EyeTech support for the life of the device. We want nothing more than for you and your loved one to succeed on this communication journey. We thank you for your time and look forward to working with you in the future.